You're gonna miss this. You're gonna want this back. You're gonna wish these days hadn't gone by so fast. These are some good times, so take a good look around. You may not know it now.
Talking about going away to school, right? Well, I think I may have found the perfect compromise. I've been working on this for a long time. It's a duplex in Ventura. Yeah. You can commute to UCSB. I can get to work just same distance. I'll show you on the computer anyways. I'm down here in this level, and you have this whole top floor to yourself. Huh?
Boy, those two apartments are so close.
Right?
Yeah.
Just like you and me. Oh, it's perfect. Hey, kid, and don't forget the floss.
You're gonna miss this. You're gonna want this back. You're gonna wish these days hadn't gone by so fast. These are some good times, so take a good look around. You may not know it now, but you're gonna miss.
Is it crazy for me to want her to have one healthy relationship in her life?
Stop being a helicopter, Mom. You're hovering.
Now, the woman with an opinion about everything.
Oh, Mom, this guy asked me out.
You look so beautiful. What are you going to do with your hair? Maybe you ought to button those buttons. You look like you're asking for it.
I am asking for it.
And an answer for anything.
God couldn't be everywhere, and that is why he made mothers.
What?
Oh, God.
That was on a Hallmark card we gave you.
Is finding there are some things
Mom, this is Johnny. Johnny, this is my mom.
Hi.
she just can't change.
That Johnny has heartbreak written all over his face.
Mom, you have to leave her alone.
Fine, but I just want you girls to understand something about motherhood. It's the most impossible love. You tell me when it ends. You tell me when it stops. One wrong decision can change your whole life.
Baby, just slow down, 'cause you're gonna miss this. You're gonna want this back. You're gonna wish these days hadn't gone by so fast. These are some good times, so take a good look around. You may not know it now, but you're gonna miss this. 5 years later, there's a plumber working on the water heater. Dogs barking, phones ringing. One kid's crying, one kid's screaming, and she keeps apologizing. He says the